kenta na waso se loma. Ni sama to maloma nimbas taxi na minibus.
Right.
Mo taka bagito kay another day of work.
Yeah.
Another day of schooling. And another day of what?
Of coming.
What?
Coming to work.
How are you, my boy?
I'm not bad.
Right.
Thank you very much for your time this morning. And
Right.
everybody, even though it's a very
Cloudy day.
days, a
Right.
very bata-bata day.
Right.
We thank to the up above
Right.
for give us another day for wake up to hear some voice, to talk, to feel something.
Right.
Rather than some of us, we are unfortunate enough to not reaching today.
Right.
Not reaching not connected today.
Okay.
But with Thanksgiving.
Right.
Melnadale mula bina kay Nongo, blessed Tuesday.
Right.
Thank you very much to everybody. Serayambaki, I'm sorry we never met for the calendar. We'll be there soon.
Yeah.
In the
Maramanita, niya na kada kada sa mga bitol ni sala.
Alright.
Maybe traffic jam na mata ni kuha.
Alright.
When buli tubutu maganda na susu ni Andra ni mata binaka.
Big Bulabinaka to those tuning in from the outer island, experiencing the, what you call this, hurricane,
Yeah.
Strong wind interviewing yesterday,
Julung.
and in Rambi Island, in Honolebu,
Yeah.
some part of Honolebu, especially in the Konrabe.
Yeah.
Good morning to you all.
Right.
This wonderful and tremendous morning.
Tamay semi, tinay semi, do yan na binaka Hastings Nepia.
Right.
Pita masilada, sanggay o timbe ka na rebu-rebu may kuka.
Yeah.
That's nabu.
I heard this one yesterday.
Tamay Makelina.
Right.
Silo sinaiting
Yan raka.
all the way from where?
From
America.
Yeah.
ano na ka
Right.
tamay roiba
Yeah.
malaga sa mga libito ka digit kito ni tikya na biyo kanigo
Yeah.
en rombul bul na chico tos na chico ng
Isa.
garabita
Truce up,
and na
truce
sa
up.
buru gori bikim na ka tamay na biyo sa buru ni andri mata binaka
Julum.
wo si bital nga na bi korbo biti na bi hotel di bulang sa bunua may na moira ni andri mata binaka. Okay, this morning we'll ask them Mexica kaya to explain to us.
But before that,
Yo.
just ask Tamaroiba if he's the contact for who's the president?
Donald Trump.
Donald Trump.
Donald Trump. To give one visit to this one.
Who?
Demis.
Small one.
Yes, Monon.
Mela melere di didi. Awang mela melere di didi.
Hindi nga kambek.
Mela imbela kolon.
Anong sabi ang bela kolon?
Okay, right.
May.
Alright, don't
Please
bula.
explain to us the different types of flowers, eh?
There.
Okay. First one on the list is the rose.
Sabi na riba you are the rose. The rose
Iyo.
doesn't have a smell, but has a beauty. He never smell. It's an imboy na rosy, but he has
Yeah.
the outer beauty. And he got
Rusin kuka.
Huh?
The Rusin kuka smell.
Yeah, because that's a rice cooker.
Okay. Carry on.
Okay.
Yeah.
You see the branches of the rose.
Yes.
There is a thorn.
Yeah.
The thorn symbolizes a pain
Okay.
when touches you.
Right.
Don't never see the flower.
Right.
You see what's
Pay attention to the
beneath.
thorn.
Beneath.
Yeah.
Under the flower. Flower can only comes wider and beauty
Yeah.
where there is a stem on the soil growing.
Uy.
E narawangan ni bata kilay ko na sinikaw kaya makaya mbula boli may natolo na may sema kinanggele.
Right.
That shows how the life is. But
Yeah.
if you love a rose,
Yeah.
the thorn is there to protect the rose.
No.
Step on the thorn.
Step on the thorn, may kay la.
Thank you, James. Okay.
Yeah.
We move on to the next one.
Right.
Explain to us the dona sinikaw na lily.
Na lily.
Yeah.
Lily itself, sabi natin na riba, mula minaka from a ketinba and the pineapple and the mango leaves.
He himself is the lily.
The lily,
Yeah.
when you hit the lily,
Yeah.
you can symbolize
Yeah.
where he is growing. The lily, normally,
Yeah.
the lily is on the water.
Yeah.
Right.
There is a coming, the water lily.
Oh, okay.
The lily
Yeah.
is up.
Yeah.
The name itself is hanging.
Who lily?
Them.
Okay. Sunflower.
Sunflower
Yeah.
is coming from the sun.
Right.
You see the sun color?
Yeah.
It's yellow.
Yeah.
You see the sunflower? It's yellow.
Marigold.
Marigold is when you marry a gold digger.
How about the hibiscus?
Hibiscus, that is the best.
Good.
Because there is a different kind of hibiscus.
Yeah.
Hibiscus, some of them they're changing in color depending on the season of the day.
Okay.
Some they change their color from the morning.
Right.
In the daytime, another color.
In the
Right.
film.
In the afternoon, another color. But
Yeah.
they are very smellfulness.
No.
Daw umboy binaka. They got the color.
Yeah.
They got the leaves.
Right.
They got the stem.
They got everything.
They got everything. When somebody is dense enough,
Yeah.
can do it tomata binaka and rombula batavoli.
Yeah.
Binaka bakaniu.
Yeah.
Ranita buti talabi ko, you are the thanks hibiscus.
Okay.
Hey, one TikTok account.
Yeah.
The name is Sunshine.
Sunshine, you are the rose. You are thorn.
Yeah.
You are hibiscus.
Yeah.
You are smelling.
Lavender.
Huh?
Lavender.
Lavender. The only lavender I know is from Tabeuni. It's lavender.
Yeah. Okay, don't gonna orchid.
Orchid.
Yeah.
Orchid is a climber.
I mean,
Orchid is a climber. There is a different kind of orchid.
yeah.
He himself
Where?
can only grow with somebody else.
Oh, in a lavender.
Na orchid, eh?
No, orchid.
Na orchid.
Yeah.
Na orchid is some orchid they grow on another tree.
Need
Yeah.
support.
Need support for survive because of photosynthesis. Some of them
Yeah.
they can grow within themselves.
Right.
Right.
They
Yeah,
need somebody to grow too.
Yeah.
Mera usala bata kaya and they going right above.
Right.
The leaves,
Yeah.
it's very babaku.
Yeah.
It's very thick.
Yeah.
And the flower,
Yeah.
it's very small, not like a broad, eh?
Yeah.
They are.
Nice smell with a
Ni-
nice smell.
oh, they are very nice
Especially
smell.
in the evening.
Right. Yeah.
Kasi may mirip ang malunaw ta.
Oh,
Ito naman
yeah.
tingnan lang may orang kilabra sa na imburi sila.
So when somebody's there, your lover, close to you, said, you are orchid in my life.
No.
Yes.
Okay. Now we go local.
Right.
Tell us about the Wambosud.
Wambasudu
Yeah.
does not have a flower.
Oi.
O question daw siya.
But
Oi.
smell.
Does not smell.
Oi.
He himself a herbal medicine.
Go.
Yeah.
Not only by cut,
Yeah.
by lungs, by internal organ.
Okay.
Sudi ko kami.
Silicocolmea is a very itchy.
Which one?
When you put into a cut,
Yeah.
like when you use the scratching machine,
Yeah.
Right.
monta ungilya,
Yeah.
then you put inside. Sometimes it's very itchy.
Right.
Then it's contain
Yeah.
the blood.
Bote koro.
Mbote koro.
Yeah.
Mbote koro we used to for the cat,
Right.
but sometimes they use for the kids
Yeah.
to drink while they are in a hot ocean. Baka
Right.
mereka kata si ito ba ya?
Double bra kami goma. Lesi
Double
basua.
Oh.
How about the Vatiba?
Watiba?
Yeah.
La watiba
Yeah.
is a plant.
Yeah.
I don't know what is a watiba.
The brother of the Katiba.
It's the plant.
Because
Soil erosion on the like the hillside.
Yeah.
I plant Vatiba there.
oh, the paragrass.
Not the Vatiba.
Yeah, I like the paragrass.
Yeah.
But what was the name?
Okay, Dobatu,
Oh.
paragrass. Explain.
Dhobatu.
Yeah.
Dhobatu is a sign of punishment. When somebody you need, okay, tomorrow we on detention to the head teacher.
Yeah.
Right.
We tie them and we spit on them
Yeah.
to cancel the detention.
Well,
But it works.
But it works for me, mundu.
Oi.
For
Right.
you know,
Right.
for
Last one.
for peace pipe.
Right, last one.
What?
Rongan.
Dhonganro is a sensitive grass.
Right.
He got a very very nice colorful flower.
Right.
He is like a rose.
Yeah.
He's a thorn,
Yeah.
but he is a very very
Naughty one.
naughty one because
Yeah.
the only time he's very dangerous when he is sleeping.
Right.
Yeah. Nangone modekina when the is
Yeah.
sleeping.
Yeah.
That's a time you very very very
Yeah. Be careful.
big alert.
Yeah.
Alert is there.
Right.
Okay.
Yan, na itu memang pala tanong sini ka well matagdi ko. Dara ka tarong siyo ko.
No.
Vutu.
Voodoo.
Oh, that
Voodoo.
one. It's a cure the HIV.
Okay.
Yeah.
Voodoo is a man. Lewasana is laughing from now. From the LM49. Bulan naka.
Raymond boy.
Who's Tonya?
Eh?
Tamay Sai.
Tamay Sai, yeah.
Tamay Sai.
Yeah.
What say?
He's a very growing full plant.
Yeah.
He is nabuana etarangeli.
Yeah. Tara mo naman tiki-tiki.
Take him na go. katara minto kita ke melango. Iya ni sana go, inja sana rongo saramandani. Natale na woni loka. Labo na nada, never labo tabutu. Don't believe na minta ko inuku. Bueno, tibe kem dole ni bubale may kuka. Thank you very much. The salato.
Yeah, salato.
The salato is come from the word saliva. The spoony, the spoon.
Yeah.
When you translate the salato, is a saliva.
Au magsamta ka kaya kamu kay watik gitu ya. Teman dari karo.
Vamos to karwa mo sinda ini tale no ni loka.
Yeah.
Na balebu.
Nang karo terang.
Karwa tabale bulbinaka. Sabi na balebu. Nabi bolurua.
Oh ya, mai. Esa dos tuning in the YouTube channel. Boleh benaka. Deme si kona ore. Someone saying the daylight Langa kali laughing, all of them laughing. Deme si.
Isa, thank you.
Na balebu. Nakanga kita mina katamunin Renrich. Marau taka chicken sini kwa. Kata when we what?
Here. Woi, sandar itu mengko nabi bolurua. Butu is a man. Iya, Junior yala mbule binaka toto kabaka wotir be morte kilan dona nindang kay tosiani. Na be bonua na mona libali wasala ko tunga kira na be kaseti na be muturaki na be badadani na mbutako na libu na pusa ko tunga be kenda na ndawa ni binaka bali na palangi. It's not for you to pasin dona tuna program me
Mochilo.
Iya mochilo se meka ngwa katungan di benden baki katungan ni yawongo
Di sara.
le weekend sa go se do mena matango se bertungan yota se bertumbe kan yona paka musinga boko tumbeka weekend se bedun rubi iya go katungan di benden baki me break tak tunga sona ice lalai ni rarawa tugori na non tapi talano asiana uts palangisu lela ulumatua ambiri marika bindobi lai sandau milna dalebu lina kata lewa butu. Sera yang baki inai korosabu beramu dombula. Sabi na kabaliw. Ndona kan rubiya tabuta.
Siya kiro ba binu nang ngabi ko.
Enduang ko sambi tutu mindona dangu bumedang ko nemesis.
Mo na nimi nakatsingabi ko na di ko mo na numitik-tik siya na marusolin ko.
Nambongi sa.
Nambongi sa siya.
Naimbukan nese singa beyala. Dan bola benaka. Oncology. Si oncology. Yan si WM.
Iya.
Benak. Kita soro. Arto si masat cuma tabu kum bolo to kan no website da wayan ra se Ruby Junior. Bata ke tesoro silo delana. Do ana benak mai botole bunandi.
Iyo.
Ada benak mana sa sebara. Ada sia.
Yan ra benaka.
Risi.
Sa.
Benak boleh besar. Don't like hat bata ke share.
Buki man tabi ko tuga sa mungori reli ko ya.
Iya.
So nangonong ko tutondo tibale.
TikTokers.
Right
up guys.
Look at the left, look at the right. Kako na wele buli may na masarsara matani ko. Right nabusi sa very dangerous one. Do na wele tunga kanetale ke mu katalaw. Gusto mata me mbunalawa. So se bani salambong imbula binaka totoka meksa na reki. Sa inam do nimbitu sikitu.
Saya do nimbitu. Parsi ko salraw hat binaka bulali. Iya. Ada binaka remisio roko mata. Udah boleh besar bito ka dia nama mata.
Kata mi kato sa taba. Wano ini binaka binabali we punjas celebrating 90 years of the working. Thank you. Like hataka ngai setaka on the live. Share. This morning.